All right, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Okay, so right now we're doing a getting started with TradingView right now. So check me out. This is what we're gonna do first. We're gonna go into, of course, Skool. We're in the Paper Trading Academy. We're gonna go to get started with TradingView. You're gonna click that link. Now, typically, when you click that link, it's gonna bring you to a page just like this right here. Okay. When you see this page, of course, you're going to see the S&P 500. You're going to see the NASDAQ. You click on stock, you see stocks like Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, you name it. Tesla's going to be down there, etc., etc. ETFs are baskets of stocks. So it's when you put stocks together and it's going to show you the value of those stocks together. Okay. So of course, we got crypto with some Bitcoin, some Ethereum, etc., etc. And then we got futures. Okay. So we're going to be using futures contracts a lot because this is what I think is the most valuable to learn when it comes to day trading. I am going to show you some stock and index options, of course, as well. But just follow along for now. So after you click that link in Skool, what I would like for you to do is you can click on anything you would like. Open up that screen for me. Two, you see the chart. And when you see that chart, you're going to come to the arrow here. You're going to open that pane up. This isn't going to be up, so I'm going to log out. This is what it will look like. And you're going to come in here and go to paper trading. Okay. And go ahead and connect to paper trading. Typically, you can start with any amount under 100 grand. Okay. So I always have new paper trading accounts. I always use paper trading just to try out new strategies. That's an example. Now, even the best and most professional expert traders use paper trading when both educating and when they're learning something new because this is a complete learning process. You have to know this learning process is going to take you years, but there's a way that you can be profitable and make money while you learn. Just please don't get into the emotional aspects of excitement, of greed, or fear at this time. Just stay here, stay as blank as possible, and just learn. Okay, just learn. The money's gonna come to you effortlessly very, very soon. Okay, so that's how you get started with paper trading. Uh, right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send you over to the ES1. Now, this is where you will graduate to. This is our goal here is to really be trading this bad boy, just whooping the socks off of this bad boy. And I'm going to show you the exact strategy that I have to do that. But we're going to start on the micro contracts. We don't want to go straight to the big boy contracts before you learn and before you begin to manage risk. Okay, managing risk is going to come first. So let's get started. Go ahead and create your paper trading account so that you can trade live with us tomorrow. We'd love for you to join. We do free weekly calls as well, so we'd love for you to check that out. Go ahead, click on that link in Skool, start that paper trading adventure, and let's get this challenge started. I'm going to show you guys and teach you guys a lot of the things that I know that taught me to be profitable. And I'm going to try to hold you back from a lot of the mistakes that I made when I was trying to learn this on my own. Okay, so follow along closely. Stay here with me. We got a lot to dive into. Okay, let's get started.